am ready. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys me getting ready. I'm going to meet Kewanna now. She's coming here. She's coming here at my home. So I'm gonna meet her here at my home. And we're gonna do the smash and pass here. Yeah. We're gonna do the smash and pass here at my home. I didn't get to use my vlog camera because so right now I'm using my phone because it has to adjust every time you're in a different lighting. So if I'm going outside I have to adjust it. So it keep on have to adjust. So I had to grab my phone because it's easier for me to use my phone on the road. Because it's easier for me to use my phone on the road instead of me stopping and adjusting camera every minute. So that's why I'm not carrying my vlogging camera. But I'm going to go meet Kewanna now, and I might have to end up buy a credit. So I guess I'll buy a credit on the road. Me on the road now. That's the Kewanna right here, so.
Hi guys, it's your girl Kewanna from Yaady. We are at the original one theater. And we're downtown, Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah. So me and Kewanna on the road.
Hi guys.
They're on a mic.
And today's a windy day.
Today is Wednesday?
Today's Thursday. But it's windy though, like from morning it's windy. So yeah, that's good or bad?
I don't know. Anyway, I told me so guess what I'm gonna do? Lock off the road. Downtown. In a restaurant downtown Kewanna buy our food there, so yeah. Look out there, that's Central Police Station, everybody. So you can see the view there. And my girl right there. Because sitting down and waiting for her. She's getting something to eat. Tired. I was editing a video this morning. Didn't get to do my eyebrows, so I'm rush come out. You know, I was editing a video this morning. I took up the whole day because I'm supposed to go Kewanna yard to go do the video. So because I edit a video and it take long, I never get to edit get to come. So she just come down to where I live so we can do the YouTuber smash and pass at my house. So yeah, it's a workout. Alright. We're going to start the vlog. We're adjusting the camera. Right. Here. Okay. Hi everybody. Hi. I should have turned that camera around too. So let's see. Alright. We'll do about adjustment. What about adjustments? We get different angles. I love this one more. Alright, ready. Okay guys, so we're ready. We're going to do our YouTuber smash pass. And you know, as you're seeing in that camera, you're seeing this vlog camera. So we're getting different dimensions of viewing, getting a wide angle and a close-up. So we can, when we adjust the edit it, we get different
Angle guys.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
So we're about to start our YouTuber smash and pass, but earlier you see us downtown. When I meet her downtown in this vlog, because you know it's still a vlog channel even though we're doing smash and pass.
Yes.
Alright.
You know, we have to keep it spicy. You can't just have one something. You always have to have different things. Oh my God, the breeze!
And basically it's two tripods, this tripod and the tripod. So you see Leaf go into the bigger tripod is because we're using two different angles.
Yeah.
Alright, and two of them is on front camera, so you're not going to get the best quality right now. Alright, my first smash and pass, and introduce yourself.
And hey guys, I'm Kewanna from Yaady, you know, the 100% Yaady.
And I'm Rose and Lawrence, and you're watching right now part 1 of YouTuber Smash and Pass with Rose and Lawrence. Remember to like, subscribe to both
Go to our channel.
Alright. Let's start.
I'm so excited for this channel, for this challenge. I really want to see what Roseanne pick. So I want to see if them smash worthy.
Our password.
Our password.
Alright, so my first smash and pass, I'm going to do phones like you know all this one. My first smash and pass is, I ain't showing you guys, but we're going to do this, we're not show again.
Yeah, I mean, I could have edited no, like,
Alright, I'm not showing that already.
Yeah.
First one is Delhi King. It will be on the screen. Alright, Delhi.
Delhi. You want to go first?
Delhi, I might try to get go first. Alright. Delhi, everybody know. It's a smash. It's a smash. It's not no odd. It's a smash.
Roseanne future husband.
No, but it's a smash. You know, one movie, it's a smash. We're not a wife, nobody for that channel. Our husband.
Oh yeah, disclaimer girls, if it's your man, or if it's your husband, or if it's your
boyfriend,
or your side man,
it's a game.
We just smash it, we just out here living our best life, okay? So don't come for
smash,
us.
just a one and move, that's all we're about. And it's a game. So yes,
So,
Delhi is definitely a smash.
I like him, I like his personality, and I love his video as well. Like,
No,
the first time I saw his videos, like, he's so creative, like, in video them always been, you know me have to explain, get a little
I'm not cute, I'm artistic, I'm not from with.
Yeah, I love him, I love his videos, I love his videos, so yeah, you get a smash.
Hey, that's true.
Yeah, like a smash, you know, I'm think for that time in a husband.
No, I'm not husband, I'm just a smash, move on, I'm young and I'm messy, Delhi.
No, I mean like, you know that smash the way you feel like a forever smash.
I'm not going to forever. Alright, next one. Razor Blade.
Razor Blade.
We met Razor earlier, so.
I met Razor like before before it was like.
No, I was at Razor.
When I met Razor, for me, him just slim. Like he's actually him not body, but that smash him. Like if you get more body, you know, look more thick up here, me that smash him. But I'll smash him though. Razor is a cool guy.
I like Razor cool, but here I know, I feel like Razor my girlfriend, Razor my friend still. I like it. I like Razor skin, Razor chocolatey, and you know all the cute little looks and everything. But Razor my girlfriend. You guys know, I don't smash nobody that got
but
no
it's
girlfriend.
just a game. Like,
yeah, but even so, if I game, I still not
it's just
smash.
a game.
So Razor my girlfriend, I'm a friend of my head.
Okay.
So
you wouldn't smash it because
Razor ain't getting no smash. That's a
well,
no. That's a pass.
Well, if Razor is single.
You don't see a smash Razor.
I'm still good at smashing because of the game. We have play with me and say, yeah, but that smashing him have a nice personality and all them good stuff there. You just want to look more weird.
Me not smash. Razor my friend. Razor my girlfriend. No smash. We don't smash our friends, man. No man taking around here.
Wow.
Alright, let's move on. Everybody know my co-star. You know the cutie pie, cute potato. Alright, Irish. Smash our pass. You go first. Cause by my place, everybody know what I'm going.
Oh, this guy is melanin popping, teeth white, personality.
No, Irish kind of cocky still. But not all right.
Well, his personality as the character, Irish, whatever. Yeah, him funny. I like when people can make me laugh. So yeah, all this mess.
Yeah, that cute one dimple when he smiles, you're like, oh my god, it's the dimple that makes you melt. That one dimple that makes you melt. What you say, smash?
Yeah.
Alright, everybody know. Coming to Ardo with him, and when we were on set together, it was very, very nice. And do some pants.
You actually meet him in person.
Yes, and do some pants. I'm like, oh my god, he's so sweet. He's very childlike, you know, to the little kids and everything.
Oh,
so
that's
therefore,
That's cute.
you know, Irish, you know, two not wife nobody, I'm not husband nobody, but you know, Irish have a little soft spot there, you know. So for me, it is a smash because chocolate and tall and good looking and everything.
I'm taking this to another level. Wink. You need to get into the DM. Wink.
No, we're not getting into the DM. But yeah, hey. So yeah, it is a smash. Potato get a smash. Alright.
We no pause. Oh, you want to pause like only pause.
Pause Jason. Alright, the next one now. Well, me love our next chocolate one with some cute ass smile. Janelle, I love Janelle.
Yes, this guy is Yes, if you never
be a good looking man.
Yes, if you never in a relationship, you feel like with a secret, it's like a DM and one like say.
In a relationship, I am upset.
Yeah, even a relationship.
No, I am upset. In talk with your girlfriend.
Yeah, he's
question and answer video.
Yeah, he's handsome and he look cute. You look like somebody who can hold a deep breathing.
It's cute, it's tall, it's muscular. It's another potato that's sort of body what I like, you know, look body and everything. And it's tall, and just cute. I love him skin. Oh my god, Jenna's skin is to die for. Jenna cute. You want a little awkward rug.
So you just smash
Ruggy, when I'm tell him no feelings of awkward ruggy kind of tuggish kind of man mental like.
Yeah, no, but look at the money. You can't see the Yaady, you can't see the Yaady.
The Yaady vibe tonight. Yeah. Oh my god, you make me smile. Jenna, Jenna definitely has smash.
Roseanne.
Ain't nothing. I love chocolate, so Jenna that's smash. That's smash. What do you think? Oh no.
Yeah, that's smashing. Yeah.
We are tired now.
Send me the slide out in the DM. And if nobody has no girlfriend,
you can't send that DM because I'm smash right there. Then I'm future husband.
No, but I answer before you, so I would have smashed before you.
I will not
and you just say don't take your friends them, so you.
Jenna, girlfriend, friend. First, I'm not even know Jenna girlfriend.
I would have slide them in and give him the smash, so you wouldn't.
Oh, I am friend. Oh, that's why. Alright. Well, that not gonna work out still, but I know I'm a friend for sure. So I can't smash Jenna, but in our head, so I smash Jenna. So Jenna I get smashed.
Get it smash.
Alright, my brother, fine. My bro. Marley Comedy now. Go check out my bro page, Marley Comedy or Crazy Vine.
I don't watch a lot of his videos, so I don't really. I watch his video yet. I don't start watching videos then someone else. I think it would have to be a pass for me. If you cute on that picture you do, you need to show them a picture. I'm happy.
You're going to see it in that video. It's about
but
Instagram.
But if you like watching more and more, really seeing personality then, because me kind of work off a personality.
I know that man. Me work off how I like it looks. I'm like a cup of chocolate.
So that anyway, would be a pass.
Pass is she. My bro Pine. He's my brother. Because he's my brother, I don't smash my brother. That's incest. So that's
no, but your brother.
I'm a brother.
Brother.
I'm brother. That's not gonna work. So that's a pass for me. But you know, go check out my bro page, Marley Comedy on Instagram or Marley Comedy on YouTube. If you want to see his sexy photo, go to my Instagram page, Rosa Lauren JM on Instagram. But yeah, it's my brother, so it is a pass. He does special relative. That's girls. But yeah, my bro is cute and everything. So it's a pass. Solid pass. Alright, my friend, my best friend of all times, my director friend, Emoji Laugh. He's the one that directs Ardo.
This picture, I don't know, it kind of look too mischievous. I don't really get much all time. Then if I probably meet him in person, that would be something different, but it looks too mischievous to me. But like when I can't see him, I can't really see,
Yeah, so the next time Monday,
No, I mean like I watch them and,
yes.
you know.
So. In the name video, so you're not really get the person.
So that would be a pass for me. Sorry, Emoji.
Alright, Emoji now, my brother and everything, and you know, I was not my brother, but you know, if it wasn't the age, it would be one of my crushes.
Oh, he's younger.
Yes, it would be one of my crushes, and also I like him everything when right, I like him mental statement, we have a good deep conversation all the time when it comes to art.
And you can tell me some of him stuff then so we can.
No problem. When it comes to art and everything, yes. It was a little bit more man than not so boyish, it would have been a smash, but because of age and everything, that pass. That pass for me.
Okay.
That pass. But you know, Emoji and me we're close.
Sorry, Emoji. Next time.
Alright.
Well.
Maine. Irish brother. Bro. The same potato people. Maine.
Oh, the same one that always to
the The funny one.
It seems like a husband type. It seems like somebody would have cheated a woman, right? And but for me, it would have been a pass because, like, for me, I like when my niggas, like, I like when my guys about to touch them and you seems too late back.
First of all, when me say no, I love men. I love men. But me would have given me one for jokes, and me can give me one for jokes and make me laugh most of the time.
Yeah, probably that would have been the only reason why, but.
Yeah, so for me, men definitely is going to be a pass. I love his skin, love his eyes, pretty much in my life. But because I feel like, in overall, funny. In overall, make you laugh.
So you don't like guys that's funny?
Yeah, but him, like, me
too
know,
funny.
Too, like, too funny. As me see him play, I love the character there. And he's more funny than potato to me, than the videos then. So for me, no, me like every time I see my husband, I laugh. I'm not gonna know when I'm serious.
Oh.
So for me, main is a pass.
Okay.
My pass.
Okay.
So
y'all get the tea, y'all get the soup.
Alright, so we're finishing my smash and pass, guys. And now we'll go back to part 2 at Kewanna's channel.
Y'all come on my channel, come see all the guys that I choose. Yes, okay, you know it's gonna be spicy, it'll be saucy, like this one.
Alright, so we'll check out part 2 of the smash and pass. Thanks you guys for watching. And these are our YouTubers, 6 star, how much we do? Smash and pass. Thanks for watching, guys. Later. Tripod. Anyway, with Kewanna, this is our closing because she's about to get ready to go home, but she's been at my home.
It was awesome doing this video, guys. I enjoy it, I love it and all these things, and I hope that you guys love it as well. Subscribe to both of our channel if you haven't as yet. Leave a comment down below. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, because you know what, that kind of encourage us, you know,
to continue what we're doing.
Yeah.
Anyway, tell Kewanna by my channel, go check out her channel. Thank you very much for coming.
Yes,
no,
I'm
I
happy I
appreciate
came
it.
as well. I feel welcome. I feel awesome. I love the atmosphere, cool and all these things.
Yes. All right, so we're gonna do something.